Hello, I want to give you a quick overview of our new Zen AI web app. Zen AI is our enterprise-ready GDPR-compliant solution for digital design. So if you are shaping, managing, planning digital products, then Zen AI's goal is to help you reaching your goals faster. And we can do this in a way that ensures that none of your business data leaves your company. Okay, then let's have a look at Zen AI. So the main screen is the project screen, and on the left side you have the sidebar where you can see all of your projects and your recent chats. And let's maybe create a new project for a car subscription website, and then open this project. And within a project you can create a new assistant chat by clicking this button here. And in here you will find an ever-growing set of assistants that is tailored to digital design. For example, translating your Miro or Figma wireframes into epics and estimates for a project, creating project glossaries, user journeys and personas. Then there's also just a simple chat that is not prompted in a special way. You can compare it with ChatGPT, and much more to come. So let's maybe open an epics and estimation assistant chat. And in here you will see your chat window where you can just send some messages. And on the right side you will have a context menu. The context menu is a way of loading your project context, for example, images or screenshots from whiteboards, plain text, PDF files, maybe call to tender from your customers, stuff like that. And everything that you add here will become available in all of your chats. And let's maybe showcase this. So let's say we want to select the technical components of an image. For example, this one here is an example. So we have a sidebar, some vehicle listings, and a navigation bar. And here we can just load this into Zen AI, and it will translate the image into the technical components. For example, so we have the navigation bar, and so on. So let's wait a second. Vehicle listing, some examples. Okay. As you can see, this context is now available in our web app. You can also look at it here. You can also edit this context afterwards if you want to change some stuff. You can also copy paste it if you want to have this text in another tool. And in here, in this chat window, you will also find what we call quick actions. Basically, every button here is a special prompt that serves some purpose. For example, starting some scoping interview, refining epics, adding tasks, and so on. So let's maybe start a scoping interview quickly. And the purpose of this quick action is to understand your project better and help you to narrow it down before generating epics. So first of all, it's asking what's the vision of our web application. It already detected it's a web application. So let's say you want to build an MVP for the car subscription website. What are the primary actions you would expect? We can also use other quick actions if you don't want to type and get some inspiration. There's one quick action which is called propose answer, and you can use this to let the AI figure out some examples. And as we can see, based on the image that we added, it says browsing available cars, subscription to a car, managing user account and subscription, and so on. So pretty much what we had on our wireframe. So that sounds sensible. And there's also often a button which lets you generate some final artifact. In our case, since we are in the epics and story assistant, we can generate epics and stories here. And usually I would add more context and, of course, chat a bit more before generating epics. But for a showcase, as you can see here, we generated some epics based on the minimal input that I did. So that's done. I can also, again, here press edit, edit the stuff if something is not intended or I want to change. And I can also save this as context. And now these epics and stories will appear here, which means I can reuse them in other assistants. So let's show this. Let's go to our project again and create a new assistant. And let's maybe create user journeys and personas. We can add the epics. We can also add the image that we selected in the other chat. And here is a quick action that says propose personas. And based on the context that we added here, Zen AI will now propose some personas. And when it's done, we can also, for example, press the generate user journeys button, which takes the personas, the context that we added above, and then create some user stories. So let's wait a second. Okay, and let's turn this into user journeys. And as you can see here, we can also save this these personas as a result, and also this we can save as context and then reuse in other assistant chats. And that's pretty much it. So yeah, if you want to have a look at it, just reach out on LinkedIn or directly per mail, and then we can get in touch. And yeah, let you test Zen AI. Thank you. Bye.